2015 Genesis. It wasn't named 2009 North American Car of the Year for nothing. Genesis combines luxury, performance, and engineering for one powerful and memorable driving experience. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: stability control, traction control, keyless entry, steering wheel audio controls, anti-lock braking system, navigation system, power passenger seat, leather-wrapped steering wheel, Bluetooth, backup camera, driver airbag, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, cruise control, auto-dimming rear view mirror, PPO, hard disk drive media storage, aluminum wheels, floor mats, four-wheel disc brakes, AM/FM stereo radio. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.